Oh my god, Denise is posting? What? Oh my god, she's becoming more relevant? What?
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
So today I have a Halloween party to go to. So this is a get ready with me to go to a spooky party. Okay, so when you're done making your eyebrows literally 2 shades darker than they were before, you're gonna conceal them. I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and I know it looks like it's too light for me, because it is, but I'm gonna use it anyways because I actually really like it and the coverage is actually really bomb. I'm looking over here because there's a mirror over here. You already know. I don't know what I'm doing because I don't want to get bullied because it's a family party, and when you go to family parties, you get bullied for everything that you do. So I'm just gonna try to avoid confrontation at all costs because we're all about love in this family. So I'm gonna do my eyeshadow. I'm gonna use the Jaclyn Hill palette because J Hill has been with me through thick and through. So I'm gonna use the J Hill palette, and I don't really know what I'm doing, so just bear with me. I'm gonna dip into the shade. Roxanne. And it's a little dark, and if my family tells me anything, I'm gonna cry. So I actually am kind of sorry for not posting for a long time because, like, I want to create content, but I haven't been. I literally tried to post videos so much, but like they're just like, they don't turn out good. Like my face is ugly in all of them, including this one, but like we're just gonna power through and send you content. I've been like trying to make a get ready with me video for like ever. I filmed 4 different times. This is my 5th time filming a get ready with me video, and this one might actually go out. This is already turning out really bad, so if you want to X out this video, I recommend. I'm like trying to look cute for this party because every time, it's like an annual thing. Every time I go to this pumpkin party, I always look like trash. Let's get this spread. I'm done with my eyes because this is as good as it's gonna get. It's not gonna get any better, so. First step to not looking dry is to moisturize. I'm like beating my face. Okay, now that we're done making your face slippery AF, you are going to prime. And I prime with the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. The reason why I use the Baby Skin one is because it works really good, and also I'm too poor to buy the Benefit one. My favorite part about being ugly is having pores literally the size of Mount Rushmore. For foundation, I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus. Y'all already know. Before I knew how to do makeup the way I know now, like, don't get me wrong, I still don't know how to do makeup.
We've been new, sis.
I used to use the Maybelline one, and it gave me hella flashbacks, so. My pores came through. No. Love that for me. For highlight, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sun Dip Glow Kit. You can tell that my mood like changed like so quick. It looks so bad. So I finished getting ready. I didn't put any lashes on because my mommy told me no. I'm wearing my denim jacket, y'all already know, and I'm wearing my Fashion Nova glistening jeans that I legit always wear. They're my favorite. because I want to feel confident AF at this party, because my makeup is making me not feel confident AF, and it's actually making me feel like a troll. So yeah, I'll put a picture right here. If you made it this far into the video, thank you so much. Love you. So be sure to like this video, you know, give me a subscribe. Like this video, maybe even comment, I don't know. Do whatever you feel like doing. Maybe even share this video with your friends, because sis is trying to get YouTube famous and get that YouTube coin, because I'm poor. Anyways, wish me luck at the party. Bye. Oh, if you want to see pictures of me at the party, you should totally follow my Instagram at d.x.nasc. I'll put it right here, or right here, or right here, or right here. I'll put it somewhere. Link in description. Watch my other video. Like that one too.